Hi, this is Johannes from Noisebud again. I'm back from summer vacation. I had a great summer. I hope you did as well. I'm back with a plugin, and it's a distortion plugin called Buhdist, and it looks like this. It comes from a project I did a couple of years ago where we needed an algorithm or distortion algorithm to distort kick drums in a techno project, and we couldn't find a plugin that sounded the way we wanted, so we created a simple plugin, and I took that and continued develop that into this plugin. And even if it's made for distortion kick drums in techno, you can distort pretty much anything. It will sound good on most material. It's a great sounding distortion, if I may say so. I'm gonna play a really simple drum loop, and I'm gonna put some distortion on it just to demo this. So let's start. So as you can see, it's really, the basics is put it on and you put some amount up and it will start to distort, and it's volume compensated, so you don't gonna add a lot of gain using it. And it even sometimes it will compensate too much, so you have to use the makeup gain in the end to compensate for a little bit of gain loss. But that's better than you destroying your mix because of too much level. I'm gonna just quickly show you the different controls there in the manual as well. So just click the open the manual, and we'll open the manual on the web. Let's start with setup. You can have it in left-right mode or mid-side or sum and difference mode. Left-right will distort the left and right signals individual from each other, and you can control how much distortion in the left and right channel with the channel control. If you set this to mid-side, the channel control will distort the mid channel if you put this to the left and the side channel to the right. So you can blend in how much distortion you want. If you want to use it as a kind of pseudo stereo effect or something, you can put it in mid-side mode. The tilt control is just a slight tilt of the spectrum before the distortion to be able to shape the sound a little bit. The shape control, it's pretty much just cut off the peaks in different ways, and it will actually distort in itself because it will change the waveform in such a way so it will sound like distortion. So you can use the shape control on its own or in conjunction with the amount, or just the amount and leave the shape at 0. It's up to you. You can create a different kind of distortion with those knobs. And the mix control, the dry wet, so you can blend in some of the dry signal if you want to, and so use it in parallel mode. And gentle mode, the default mode is mayhem, and then it will distort a lot. Gentle, it's about 10% of the capacity of the plugin, so it's just when you just want a little touch of distortion, and mayhem is just too much. Then put in gentle, and you can have a little bit more control of it. OS, it's oversampling, and we recommend that you use at least 4 times oversampling if you're working at 44.1 kilohertz. But if you don't mind an aliasing, you can put it on off, because aliasing is distortion as well, and maybe you prefer that. I don't know. I'm gonna use it at times 16 while demo this. And then you have a gain control to compensate for loss and gain, or if it's too much, you can back off a little bit. So it's just a simple gain control, and bypass to bypass the plugin. And that's it. I'm gonna play this loop again, and I'm gonna play around a little bit with the settings so you can hear what it can do. So let's go. So that's it. I hope you like it, and it's available on Patreon right now. So just download it and have fun. And see you later. Bye bye.